Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everyone.
वालेकुम सलाम सर।
How are you, Mr. Vinati? Niraj. Hello. You people
Hello,
hear
Assalamu
me? Walaikum salam. Riyaz, Muzammil, Saeed. You hear
Yes, sir.
me?
We can hear. We can hear, sir.
Okay. Shall we start?
I think wait for 1-2 minutes.
Only 6 people are. Okay. So shall we wait for 2 minutes?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So you are able to see my desktop, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we wait? Muzammil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is your which class this is? Total how many classes you attend?
From starting, sir.
From starting, from beginning you are attend the classes.
Yes, sir.
And you visit to Alfred?
No, sir. Yesterday I didn't come.
Okay. So before?
Yes,
First
sir.
year
Before
you
I
attend.
will come. Yes, yes. First,
You came
second I will.
second class your practical session you are not attending. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what we did, we got the idea. The previous class.
No, sir. In practical.
Yes, practical. What the topics are? Yes, practical labs.
No, sir. No.
So did you watch the video? No. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
What?
So today topic is profile. Yesterday we discussed about we are finished what the topic user, how to create the user. Do you remember previous class? Online class, online,
Yes,
not
sir. Yes.
practical session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So in that class we discussed how to create the user, how to assign the permissions, log on permission, how to
Yes.
log on to the server, okay. And Saturday
Timing.
practical lab, yes. Saturday
You
lab.
said the timing,
Yes,
duration.
sir. Yes, yes. And second
Sir,
Saturday, yes.
Sir, we said the time, but so someone is working on desktop, but still after his time is completed, what happen? Then what happen?
Log off. Automatically it will log off.
Automatic log off.
Oh yes, automatically.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Because time we are assigned the 6 o'clock, right? So the 6
Yes.
o'clock is over. So automatically is going to be log off. Because
Then
the company people are
what happen?
company people
Sir,
are
then what?
using. Yes,
Then
yes,
what
yes.
happen? He will do work save as well. Delete.
Because he's working in the company, right? So he need to know. So what is the time? What is the time to he have to leave, right? ऐसा तो
Yes, sir.
बढ़ेगी, right? So that is the reason the times are, and everybody want to before for 5 minutes they want to close the session, right? They want to close the system. They want to shut down the system 5 minutes. Here also the people are not waiting for only class. Okay, 10 minutes is over. So please close the session. So next. Oh,
Yes,
in the
sir.
company, but in the company people are using the third party tools. Okay, in that tool they are assigned the timing. So automatically maximum the call center also because last 5 years back so many call centers everywhere. You heard about that one so many things. So in that time also timing is over, so automatically client system is going to be logged off. Switch user. Okay. Any other thing you want
Okay.
to ask? Yes.
No,
Eight people are. Yes, 8 people are. Okay. Without delay, we need to start because 2:10. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
uh,
Okay.
yes, yes. How many people are? Yes. Riyad, Muzammil, Muhammad, Usman Ali, Faraz, this is Usman is one or Usman two?
One here, sir.
Usman one, I think, sir.
Usman one. Okay. And Amjad, you are outside or?
No, sir. Inside. Yes, sir. I'm available.
Shoaibur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
So you are belong to Hyderabad or
Yeah, I'm from Hyderabad.
from Hyderabad? So last class you attend,
No. I'm attending first class. It's my first class.
second class you are not attending.
No, it's my first class.
Okay, in Islamic
Sorry?
and online class.
Yeah, my online class. I
This
have
is this is
attended.
first class. Oh, last time we discussed, right? Yes, you have paid that one, right? Correct. You are.
Saturday I have came at Al Khair.
Yes, you are sharing the information, right?
Yeah.
So you have already you have learned this. You have completed these courses, right?
Yes.
MCSC, Linux, and CCNA, right?
Yes.
So you have idea. So your name is Shoaibur Rahman. Shoaib, right? Yes. So now we are going to discuss about the profile. Roaming profile. What's mean the profile? Anybody have the idea? Mr. Shoaib. Hello. Mr. Usman.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, sir.
Yes, Usman.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea about the profile?
Profile. No, sir. Exactly, I don't know, but I guess it's
Okay, generally. Okay, general.
generally.
Your profile, my profile. What's mean by your profile?
Profile is the user information, sir. Like user data, basically,
Yeah.
wherein
Yes.
we store all the information about the end user, all his credentials and everything, his date of birth, his address, everything we save in profile.
Yes. So in your profile, I can add my information, and my profile you can add your information.
No, sir. The end user as well as admin will be having the like privilege.
Yes. So it's mean my yes. My profile have my information. Your profile have your information, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but this is my personalized, yes, personal information, yes, or personal setting, right? My personal, my own, right? My qualification, my name, my father name, my sister's name, my brother's name, right?
Yes, sir.
What about my blood group, okay, my address, my phone number, my email, that is my personal thing, right? So I want to share, or I don't want to share, right? To someone.
Yes, sir.
That is my personal thing, right? So my education, my qualification, whatever. So profile is nothing but according to journal. So that is that personal information, right? Clear? Understand? Amjad, Muzamil, Riaz, okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Rahman,
sir.
okay, Rahman, Shaib Rahman, okay, clear? So this is the person. So when you come to the here, profile means here profile means user personal setting or personal information. You can say user personal setting. User personal setting. Personal setting. What's personal setting? क्या क्या चीजें हैं? Whatever things is come to personal setting. First thing is come desktop, right? Got the idea? User personal setting, personal information is nothing but user profile. Everyone clear? Usman, Usman, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can audible, sir. But what happened to all participants? Why you guys are not cooperating with sir? When sir was announcing, kindly be cooperate with him.
Clear? So first thing is desktop. So desktop, what is the desktop? Now you are seeing my desktop, right? So this desktop, because in the company, so every user having individual own desktop, right? Because for example, different department people. So that department people want the desktop in shortcuts, their files, right? Their personal files. Whatever is related to company, whatever is related to personal, whatever login name, login server details, okay, which server to login, okay, client. If you are working in the company, so means this is your client, you are working for the client, you are, for example, you are a designer, so that is that particular, you are sales department, your service department, your operational department, okay. So these are the different departments, so different user is available. Got the point? So that is the reason. So you can on your desktop your personal information means this is not personal means according to company personal, right? Company according to whatever job, what is the designation. So according to company related things, you are stored in the store on your system is desktop. Why you create means creating shortcuts, creating the files. Okay, you are kept in the desktop because when you come login, so immediately you can access. Okay, so that is the reason every user have his own separate desktop, right? Clear? Hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Mr.
Yes, sir.
Amjad. Mr. Amjad. Are you available?
Yes. Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
hear
sir. I'm
me?
here.
You hear me? Yes, yes. So for
Yes,
example,
sir. Yes.
some people have what we can say desktop. They put some scenery, some picture. Okay, for the point. So they want to change. Okay, so Windows desktop they were changed to they put their own picture, their scenery like that. Okay, for the point. So desktop is same. Okay, same like that. Your documents you want to configure and save in the documents, right? For the point. So like that, total 11 folders profile will provide. In XP, only profile means operating system. Who will create this profile? Operating system. Okay, when it will be created, when first time you are seen in the lab session in Alpha complex. Okay, already have seen. Okay, we are creating the user when we log in from the client side first time. When you type, so it's take the time. Creating the user profile is give the message. Okay, so when you creating user and first time you are logging from the client side, so that time the operating system is create the profile of that user. Okay, so how it will created? So in that profile is created this 11 folders. 11 folders. What are the one? So these 11 folders is called profile folders. Profile folders. What are the one? So profile folders, 11 folders. Okay, these 11 folders is called profile folders. So who will create? Operating system will create. When it will create? First time when you create the when you log into the client system, so that time behind the screen, because it's not showing, just only get the message. User creating the profile. Please have wait for a few seconds, few minutes. Okay. Bill. In XP only 5 folders. From Windows 7 is 11 folder. Okay, Windows 10, Windows 11, whatever operating system we are using. So that are from after XP operating system, 11 folders. So how we can see? Usman, do you have any idea to how to check? Shaibur Rahman, do you have any idea how to check the profile folders?
Profile folders. Sir, usually after we create on the desktop, there is a recycle bin, and there are one or two folders like that are appearing actually.
Yes, there are 2 folders. But I want to see the all folders. I need to see
Yes,
my profile. Same like that. I take the resume, right? So Amjad, Usman, all our resume is available. So in that I will take the Usman resume, right?
Yes, sir.
Take out. So I need to see the all Usman information. I want to see. I want to check the information. Same like that. I'm logging with user. So that user, for example, I'm logging with Ahmed user. See here, this is Ahmed. So I want to see the all Ahmed profile folders. Ubaidur Rahman, Shoaib Rahman, Ubaidur Rahman, Shoaib Rahman. Do you have any idea? Shoaib Rahman, you are here? Okay. See here. So how I can see? Already previous Saturday class I show you. So just open run command and type only dot. Remember, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. We have seen
Yes,
in the
sir.
last
Yes,
class
sir.
in
Yes,
the
sir.
lab.
Yeah, I remember.
Yes. When I type see here, you are able to see Ahmed.
Yes, sir. It opens the document.
Ahmed, right?
Yes,
So
sir. And
desktop.
backslash to open the computer.
See, no, root partition. That is called root partition.
Yeah.
See, desktop, download, favorite, links. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, contact 11. So 11 folders. Okay. So this is the one method. Second method is start my computer, C partition, user, Ahmad, and see here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 folders. Got the idea? See, what happened? If I open, so whatever available in my desktop, I can see here. See here, all. For example, this picture I have. Okay. So I open from where? So C partition, right?
Yes, sir. It's there on the desktop, sir. It's there on our desktop.
Yeah. So their desktop is nothing but is a folder. Understand?
Folder. Yes, sir. Folder
Yeah.
on user.
That is desktop you are seeing is nothing but the screen. That is the folder. So whatever you create here, see here, whatever you create, configure their desktop. So it's going to be stored where? Here, this folder. Understand? And this folder you are not created. Anybody cannot create it. This folder automatically can. When it will become? When the user is logged on. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Clear? What about Amjad, Mr. Amjad, Riyaz?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Clear everything?
Yes, sir. Clear up to this
Rahman.
point. Yes, sir. Clear up to this point, sir.
Right. So all for same like that. If you, because we are not using here, but in the company we are using this for download. So whatever you download link. Because if you are going to do the project, for example, your project is, your client is you are a designer, web designer, whatever. So you have the multiple clients, right? Multiple clients you have to upload and modified.
Need to send. Yes, sir.
Yes, modified all websites every time. So you have to save the links, right? Your customers' links. Company is a web server, okay? So it's maintained, for example, GoDaddy, right? So it's maintained the all links, right? Whatever the customer's link is there. So that time you need to save. Where you save, so that is the reason it will provide you folder. Which folder? Profile folder in the links. Documents, music, okay? Because your company is a musical company, right? Or your customer in the company customer is a musical customer. Pictures, designing. Okay, these are the things compulsory you require, means user is required this folder. So that is the reason when you create the user, so operating system background it will create these 11 folders. So that is the reason it takes the time. So that is the reason you get the message user creating the profile. So please have a wait for few minutes or some seconds. Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When you're talking
Yes,
about
sir.
the profile, so there are two types of profile. Okay. One is local profile. Second is roaming. Roaming profile. Okay. Roaming profile, local profile. So this profile is a local profile. So whatever you created till now in the lab session also, in Alpha complex also you create the user, you have seen the lab, okay, in the online classes also if you are creating, I'll show you. So whatever user you created till now, that user is created, means that user is local profile user, local profile. Okay. Just you go in the server, from where I need to create the users. Shabir Rahman. From where I want to create the user, from where I need to go and create the user. Mr. Amjad.
Yes, sir. Active Directory, sir. Run
So
command.
how can one run
dsa.tms.
DSA.m? Why I'm asking, because I don't know you people are doing the practice or not, right? So
Yeah,
that is
sir.
the reason.
Yeah.
Whatever till you are listening to me or you are friend to me. So I am trying to whatever
Yeah,
possibility to I fix in your mind. So that is the
yeah,
reason
yeah.
asking.
Ye-
Okay, got the point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Whatever
revision, yes,
you are
revision
asking is
is
is a
happening.
revision for us, sir. Review. It's very
Yes.
useful, sir. Alhamdulillah.
DSA and dot MSC.
MS. Yes, sir.
And then tell me before you start that, sir, you have to tell
User.
me, you have to memorize that.
Right click on user, sir.
Yes, right click and
On
users
user.
and new users and users.
User.
And then
Yes, sir.
create the users. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here I'm creating JJ Khan. I don't know who is the JJ Khan, but what is the password?
Yes, sir. Sure,
SS
sir.
please. Yes,
The rate
at
of
the rate
configuration.
123. So I configure this one. And already we discussed this option is why this option is available, which purpose, right? So now I create it. So JJ Khan, right click and properties and see profile. So you can't see here which profile, this is local profile, roaming profile. You don't know, right? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So now I'm going to client side. You are able to see, right? Screen?
Yes, sir. We are able to see the screen, sir.
So now switch user. How I can switch user? Shortcut with the help of keyboard.
Alt W, sir. Alt plus
Control
W.
Alt Delete.
Control Alt Delete.
Yes,
No,
sir. Control Alt
RW.
delete.
Who, who said that
Sir,
control?
Alt W, sir.
Alt W.
Switch
Why
user.
Alt
Yes, sir.
W? What?
Because is
Yes. Yes, I understand. Underline, right?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Underline.
Underline.
Yeah.
We can
Yes.
use
Underline.
Alt and we can use that
JJ
later.
Khan SST at the rate 123. See here. This is because it's not showing, right? In Windows 10, Windows 7, in Alphas, because this is the Windows 7. So this time is taken, right? Why? Behind this process is create the folders. That folder is profile folder is created. Got the point? So that is the reason it's take the time. Next time you open when log off and log on, so it doesn't take this much time. Understand? And you observe that one. What is the IP address? Oh, alpha.com. This is not a server. Guys, see here. So his login, the server name is Alpha. This is alpha.com. So this is our not our server, right? Yes, this is our server. So now DSA.msc. So right click, new user, next, create the user, now, other users, SST, type 1, 2, 3. Just preparing your desktop. Just you get the message. Guys, you are saying setting your personal settings. Hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are saying
Yes, sir,
first
we are
message
with
you are fine creating desktop, right? Now second message I show you your personalized settings is creating, right? Now I want to know because I can't see from here, right? When I want to see which profile is created, JJ Khan, click on properties, see here. I can't see here, right? This is the local profile, Robin profile, I can't see. When I go client side and open my computer, right click properties and advanced setting, is asking the user. Why is asking? Because of security reason. And see here three options. Advanced here, user profile, desktop setting related to your profile, your logon profile, right? So click on setting and now JJ Khan, what it's showing.
Local, showing
yes,
local.
local. Okay, so this is local profile. So if I go server side, Amjad, tell me how I can see, how I can check profile status.
Yes, sir. We need to go the near user and right click on user profile, sir.
My computer. Okay. Okay, then advanced system setting and then here user.
Profile, desktop solution.
So how many users here?
One you.
Two users. One is administrator, second is Usman. Why Usman
Yes.
is here? Because we are giving the permission. Previous class we are discussing. We are giving the permission Usman to as a local.
Yeah, yeah. Sir.
That's clear. So that is the reason Usman. So here
Yes,
only two.
yes, sir.
But client side, so many profiles you are seeing, right? Right, guys.
Yes, sir.
So right click my computer properties and advanced setting here. Profile, see all, because whatever user is logging here, because this user is not logging from the server, so that is the reason the server operating system is not create the profile, because we are logging this with the help of this user in client side. We are logging from client side, so that is the reason client side operating system is creating these profiles. Clear? But is a local profile. So local profile, no need to do anything. Just create the user and log on. Once he is log on, is create the file. See here, here I am creating one folder, Mr. So go here, open sheet, and users here JJ here. These are the users folders. When open, these are the users profile folders. Clear? These are the users folders, right? Users names folder. Because I log on client side with the help of this user. So that is the result. John JJ Khan, these are the user profile folder. So in the desktop, I create the one folder. So here I'm just here. So what I will do, I'll copy and paste here in desktop folder. Now go and see here. In desktop automatically is created. Understand? Clear, guys? What is the purpose of the profile, right?
Yes, sir.
Same like that, if you are joining the company person says that this is your salary, but sorry boss, we are not provide table, chair, fan, laptop or desktop system, right? Okay, so you have to bring this all these things from your home. So that time you are going to join like that company.
No, sir, we are not going to join.
Right, because everything you have to bring from your home, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is providing? Okay, same like that. This is the responsibility of the operating system because once user log on, so user need these things, right? So desktop, favorite, this document folder. So that is the reason operating system is provide this automatic system is created this profile, right? So this is the local profile. But the problem is, see here, I log on with user JJ Khan. Now what I will do, see here, be careful here. What I will do, I log off and log on with another user. What the users, Amjad user is there, right? Yes. So I log on with Amjad user. SST at 123. And the password Amjad. Let us go and check another user. Reset password. I change password. SST. I think without password or some other India at the rate one password. SST at the rate 123. SST at 123. Not lava. Now see here, whatever user is created, the folder, JJ Khan, whatever created folder in his desktop, Amjad user cannot access, right? Amjad cannot see that folders. Right? See here. Clear Amjad, Usman, Riaz.
Yes, sir, it's clear. Whatever we are saving in the respective in the user profile, it is being showing in that respective user only,
Yes.
profile
Yes.
only.
That
It
is
is
the
not showing.
reason. Yes, that is the reason, Mr. Bing, I'm telling. Profile is nothing but individual user setting, personal setting.
User
Okay.
personal settings.
Yes. Clear. Now you get the idea of what is mean profile
Yes, sir.
and what is the purpose of the profile, right? And how to create the means profile, right? Local profile no need, automatically is created. Clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
this database, because administrator want whatever you are saving, whatever user saving, administrator want that one. So I have 100 users. So that time administrator need to go each and every system and log on, right? And log on and open the desktop and copy, right? यही होगा ना? Because every user has his own, right? So even administrator is log on. For example, see here, I log on with administrator user in my client side. No. Okay. Why is it not open? Because I'm not mentioned. I'm logging to whom?
Yeah,
This
yes,
server.
because our
Yes.
domain was Dell.com, we are logging to Alkhair. That's why.
Yes. Logging to local system. See here, administrator doesn't see any folder, right? Okay. Administrator want to access. See, open profile. Now administrator want to open JJ Khan. He can open and he can see the all information, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello guys.
But only he can operate. He can use the documents, sir. That's it.
Yes, means he can use the all every user 11 folder he can access, right? That is
Yeah,
what
yes,
you
sir.
say, right? Means administrator can access the all 11 folders. He can access the all 11 folders of the users, right? But
Right.
he need to go to the particular client, right? But from the server, he can access. See here, open, C partition, users, only administrator, Usman users. But I need the Amjad user, JJ Khan information, right? So I can't see here, right? Understand, guys? So whatever you are storing the desktop or document, administrator need all these things, right?
Yes, sir.
User person. So that time what happened? Read the problem, right? That is the first. Second thing, company doesn't want to store in your system that all information, 11 folders, whatever is saving in the 11 folders, what you are working in 11 folders, right? So administrator want or company wants centralized administration, this centralized database. This all users, 100 user information, 11 folders should be one place in the server. Now, is possible? So I need to copy all these things again. So I need to every day, right? I need the data every day. So means I need to copy all 11 folders every day, right? And kept in the servers, right? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the first problem. Second problem, what happened? This is the system, right? Amjad is login. This is for system one, for example. See here. This is system one. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 system, for example. So Amjad's user is logged on today here. So he's created the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folders, means his complete work today work, right? Next day, when he's come, he got this system because the company, department, one group, so doesn't matter. So you can set any system because same thing, because centralized database. Now what happened? He want to continue the work from these folders. When he's come and try to log on, now give the answer. So he will get that all folders in this system or not. Mr. Shoaibur Rahman, I'm expecting from you. If you are available, please answer. Either right or wrong, doesn't matter. If you are able to hear me. Okay, Mr. Amjad.
Sir, all that are not possible, sir. Might be which is connected to server that will show, but stored in computer it won't, sir.
Yes, correct, exactly, right? Why? Because it's local means is stored in the this only system, right? If the
Yes.
Amjad is logged in, next day is come, and he try log on from this. He can able to log on, right? Doesn't matter, because
Yes,
human
sir.
user, so he
Yeah.
can able to log on. But desktop all folders data or 11 folders data, so he can't get from this system, right? So
Yes.
this is the
Yes.
second problem. For example, he want to log on to the server. Okay, so he's login. He's opened the system. So company said, okay. So client said that every time you log on to our server, those people, and do the live work on my server. Customer said, okay, Usman is there, your customer. Okay, your company XYZ company. So Usman said, we have the server. So when you do you want to do the work, so please from your system, you log on to this is my credential, username and password of my server, and you have to do the work on my server. Okay, whatever application designing, anything, operation, whatever you want. So you have to do that. So that is the reason what you will do in the desktop, you create the logins folders, means server name, whatever file you created, and this, right?
Yes, sir.
Next day, you come to this system and try to log on. So you can't see, right? Again, you have to go this system. Oh, so please, Shoaib Rahman, please give me 1 second. So I will log on with my user. So Shoaib Rahman should be logged out, and you have to just log on in this system and copy that file and bring here to this system, this desktop, right? Clear, Usman?
Yes,
Usman
sir.
one.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So is it easy work or difficult work? It's possible work. And Mr. Shoaib Rahman is going to log off on his working time, working hours.
No, sir. It will be difficult.
It's difficult, sir.
It
Yeah,
will
It
be
becomes a complex
distraction,
task.
disturbance.
yeah. So that is the reason whatever you create in this system, means whatever you are saving in 11 folders, that 11 folders, when you log in the domain, any system, so automatically 11 folders should become every system when you log in with your user. It's not so to any other user, so your user means you log into this system. I'm Mr. Amjad, so Amjad get the 5 folders every system. So today, first system you create five folders. Second day, you log into another system, you get the 5 folders, and you are adding or you modified in that one. So more 5 folders, 3 folders, okay, total 10 folders. So third day, third system you log in. So the third day, the third system get the 10 folders, and you are adding in that 5 folders. So total third day 15 folders. Now fourth day, fourth system you get 15 folders, and you are adding 5 folders like that. Understand? So that time I need to configure roaming profile.
Yes, sir.
Same roaming. Your mobile is roaming, right? So roaming means
Yes, sir.
you can go any state, you can get the service, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? And the problem is this roaming profile created by only administrator.
But
Admin
sir,
create. This
admin will
profile
agree or
anyone
not?
created. Huh?
Yes, sir. Admin will agree or not, sir, for roaming profile?
Admin will create it. So
Yeah,
why should he
admin will
agree?
create, but he will agree or not, sir, for
Agree means
providing
agree
us
means
a roaming profile.
because company policy, admin should be follow the policy of the company.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, the company policy every system सिंपल लॉजिक है भाई. So whatever आप जो भी लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल है आपके
नहीं
डेस्कटॉप पे
सर,
आपका
रोमिंग
सर्वर
प्रोफाइल सिर्फ थोड़े लोगों को रहता है, ऐसा कुछ
ना ना वही एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ
अवेलेबल रहता है.
that is I'm going to explain because all users whatever department users, okay, so they log on to any system, so they want every whatever information is available in my desktop, my folders, right? I should get every system, right? So you can't copy like that, right? So if copy, so unnecessary your system hard disk occupied, unnecessary is overload on server, right? Because it's maintained the client storage. So that is the reason every system have every user have this facility. You need to configure on every user. Got the point, Mr. Amjad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for example, you are working on the desktop, right? In the sales, you are visit to the company, daily you are working. So company give the laptops. So from now onward, you have to do your work from home, right? Some people get the laptop, some people doesn't get the laptop, the personal PC, right? So that time in the company, whatever the sale, right? So they want in when you log in from home, so that all information should come in your laptop desktop, right? In the screen. कॉपी करके लेके आते क्या कंपनी जाके? नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता, right? So that is the reason we need to configure the roaming profile. Okay, so roaming profile, first thing, who will create is created by administrator. And local profile created by user, means कोई भी create कर सकते, anyone, right? In your personal system you create the user, so that is also local profile. आपका personal PC या laptop है, इसके ऊपर user create करिए, so you can get the local profile. That is becoming local profile anyone. So roaming profile only created by administrator, and this is centralized database. Means here, because administrator create here, so database all user information is going to be stored here centralized. So when administrator he want, he can access whatever, right? So who will maintain? Server will maintain the database. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is the advantage. Now see how to create the profile. So that is the reason condition is there, some rules is there. So what is the rule? First rule is first create share folder. Create user. Then configure roaming profile on that user. This is the only three rules. Create share. Why share folder? Because every user want to access, right? Everywhere. So that is the reason I create the share folder. And user, because I want to configure.
किसमें चाहिए?
I want to configure the particular user, so that is the reason. Configure roaming profile.
Bluetooth on कर लो phone में.
Clear? So that is the things we have to follow these things, right? So let's go and start. Open my computer.
कौन से फोन में से कर? मेरे फोन में नहीं है साउंड सर. मैं
So, or now, so what we need to do, because here only one partition, I want to create the one more partition. How I can create? So see here how I can create another partition with the help of shrink. Anybody have the information? Anybody know? Mr. Shoaib Rahman.
Management.
Yes, I have three partition. Right click on shrink value. Two GB. Yes. Right click new. Just click next. So like that. Open here. So now I have this. So open, go to the server. Go to the server. Open my computer. Open any partition. In that, I'm creating the one folder. I give the one name. Okay, that is the share folder. This folder should be shared. Right click, properties, how to share. Amjad, can you explain how to share? Can you say that? How I can share?
Yes, sir. Right click properties and go to the
Right
sharing
click,
view.
properties, go to the sharing
Sharing
option,
view.
the sharing, and select everyone. Read and write permissions. Click on none, click on close, right? Now, I didn't open this folder, just I create the share folder, create the folder, I share this folder, right? Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
my first steps is over, right? So creating the share folder. Now second step, Mr. Usman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the second step. Second step is a create the
Create a
user.
user.
Yes, how I can create the user?
Uh, we can create a user by the same, sir. Going in Active Directory, yes, sir. Here you can go to users, right click, properties.
From properties I need to create.
User and a new user.
Yeah.
New
User
user.
click.
New
Yeah.
user. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
New
New
user.
users. Exactly.
Now, I can give the any name. Yes. So I can Han. Okay. Next. SST at 123. SST at 123. Next. Next. So second step is creating user. Now third step, select Han user, right click, properties, go to the Active Directory, select user, which user you want to configure profile. So select profile, and here you have to give the path. So what is the path? Where is my share folder? My share folder is in the network. So for network, 2/. Remember in previous class we discussed double slash
Yes,
means.
sir. Yes, sir. Double slash and
Single
Windows
slash means what is the single slash means we discussed, right?
Windows C.
Double slash means
It
the
opens
network
local
path.
disk. Yes,
So
sir.
network path. So I need to provide that my computer name.
Computer name.
So my computer name is in my situation SVR-1, right? SVR-1. This is my computer name. Now inside this server, I have share folder. What is my share folder name? What is my share folder name?
Khan.
No, that is the username. Username. ROM.
ROM. Yes, sir. ROM.
Right.
ROM.
Now, I need to configure this folder to user. What is my username is? Han.
Fine.
Yes, got the point. So this is my complete roaming profile.
Here in path, do we need to give the drive name also? Drive letter where it has been placed?
What? I'm not getting you. Sorry.
Sir, as we have created a ROM folder in F drive, so do we
Yes.
need to mention that folder name, path name, where is exactly? Because in server name, they can't find this particular folder. So where it is exactly located? In F drive or D drive or C drive or
No need, no
S
need,
drive?
no need, because this profile, because we configure only this folder, right? So it can find because
Okay.
this user, when you log in, so see here, this is not related to administrator, this is related to the user, right? So what is
Yes.
the technology? The Han user is log on from the client side. So the client side, what he need to do, he need to create the profile behind, right? Behind the screen, he need to create that. So when he's created, so he's where he's going to store local profile in the C partition, right? In the C partition user folder and username he's created. So what we said, hello client system, when you creating this 11 folder, profile folder, so don't save in your location, in this local database C partition, you have to save here. This is the share folder, and previous class we have seen Alkhair complex. So no need to mention CD. Just you mention / server name and share folder name. Automatically it will be open. Otherwise, / server name, if you type client side, automatically it will open share folders, right? How to access the share folder from the client side. So that is the reason we do not need to give the C drive, E drive, that all these things. Understand?
Okay.
So here, apply. Okay. Now, go to the client side, right? Look guys, Usman, Amjad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I log out.
In the client side, we can check for this.
Yes.
Which profile? It is a
Yes.
local profile or a this one
Yes.
roaming profile.
I log off server because update. Quick pause. So here, from client side, what is the user?
Han.
Right. Password
SST at the rate of photo.
See here what happened.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, that folder we can't open from another user, no, sir?
Let's see. I will show you.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now, Mr. Amjad, I want to
Yes,
see
sir.
the profile status. How I can
Profile
see?
status.
Yes.
We need to open the folder, sir, that folder.
No. I want to see the status.
File status, sir.
Yes, in interview compulsory, because roaming profile is important, or profile, user profile. So in the interview they will ask. So I want to know the profile status. How I can check?
Sir, right click.
Where I need to? Yes.
No, computer, sir.
Right click computers. Okay, right click computer. Properties. Okay, then advanced setting.
No, sir. Change setting.
Administrator, SST. Yes. System setting. System. Advanced system
So
setting. And
user
see
profile
here.
setting.
Yes.
User profile
So
setting.
now I log in with Han. So here, see.
Roaming.
Roaming.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Clear? Time, date, everything, right? Here, this is the roaming. Now, I'm creating here folder. First, I change my screen. So I create this one and assign a new folder. So, Han 1. This is my folders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folders I created. Clear? This is my data. And 11 folder, how I can see? If we go C partition, open users, see here, Han is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Right. So I can see here 11 folder is created, right? Now, here, this 11 folder, this is the database, this is I'm creating. Now I log out. I log out. I went to the another system next day. Next day, I'm to the next system, another system. So from here I can't log on, right? Because Khan is a local user. Yes or
You
what?
can, you can log, you can log
Yes, I
in.
need, yes, I can't log in because I need to give the permission, local permission from the group policy. So go to the group policy, domain, edit, user right, settings, user right assignment, allow loggers, sorry, not this one. The password we need to change for user right, and here allow login locally. Here, how many users? Yes, Usman also have, right? Remember last time we said. Now this time I need to add which user? Khan.
Fine. Yes, sir.
Why I'm going to do this one? Because I don't have another client. Okay. If I have another client, so directly I will go to the another client. I can log on, right? So that is the
Yes, sir.
reason I don't have another client, multiple clients. So that is the reason I'm giving the special permission to local permission to Khan user and try to log on to the from server. Okay. That is the reason. This is not a what I'm showing. This is not a topic, and this is not including in roaming profile, right? You have to give like that. So because I don't have another client, right? If have client same like that company, we have multiple clients, right? So I don't have another client, so that is the reason I'm log. That is the reason I'm try to log on Khan user from server. I need to log on from server with the help of Khan user. But Khan user is a domain user. He can't log on to the server, particular server, my server. So that is the reason I need to give Khan to local permission. Why? Because at that time he can able to log on to my server. Remember previous class we discussed, we have seen, and we are in the lab also, right? So
Yes,
that this is related to that topics, not this roaming profile, right? Because
Yeah.
I don't have another client, so that is the reason I'm doing this one. Okay, don't be confused, guys.
Sir, only giving some authorities to access my sir for that user. No, you,
No, just configure the roaming profile, right? From here, what you need to do, just configure profile here, these three parts. Do in server, right? And go to the client side and log on. Next day, creating your 5 folders, right? Next day, go and log on from this system. That's it. Otherwise, log off and log on from this system in the company. No need to do anything.
no, sir. My question was not that. I was asking, you assigned the permission. You gave the permission for Khan. He can access our server. He can enter our
Yes,
server.
yes, I can log on from the server. That's
Log on
I
from.
want you Khan user try to log on to the server, or administrator want Khan user can log on to the server. So that purpose I need to give the local permission.
Yeah, Khan doesn't have that full authorities to access.
Not
their
authority,
administrator.
not authority. He can't log on to the server, right? So I want to give only login permission, okay? So that purpose I need to go to the group policy and okay, that is a different topic. Previous topic we discussed, we are seeing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here in roaming profile, you have to do only these things from server side and log on from this client and this client. Khalas, next time. So here I give the permissions, everything is okay, right? So GP update, I need to type the GP update command, and why I need to type the GP update command, everybody knows.
Updating group policy, sir.
Yes. Now, is update. So now I log up and log on with Khan user. See everybody.
Other user.
Usman.
And
Usman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At the rate 123. See here.
Yes, sir.
So this is the user, because I'm think this is the other client system. Previous,
Yeah.
we are logging to another system. We create the 5 folders, Khan 1, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
we change the desktop also in client side, right? And same thing, I need to this another system, but another client system. So I log and see. Please wait for even user profile is created, right? See here.
Yes, from server side, we are trying to log on and see now, sir. This one.
Everything, whatever created in the client side, we got, right? But
Yes,
this
sir.
operating system here, Windows Server Standard Evolution, right? So
Yes,
this is
yes, sir.
our server operating system. Means server means different system, different client, right?
Yes, yes.
So means roaming profile, with the help of roaming profile, user can access the personal information in every system in the network.
Oh, yes.
क्या बोला था मैं? Can you repeat
Yes,
this
sir.
one?
With the help of roaming profile, the user can access his personal information from any system.
Yes, personal data. Means personal means
Personal,
whatever company
yeah.
assigned.
Whatever
According
data
to
is there,
company, yes.
whatever his
According
data
to,
is there in his profile, can and access from any
yeah,
system.
any system.
If he has all his credentials, that's it.
Now,
With
so
his
what happened here? I created folder here. Another Usman 2. So how many folders I created? 2 folders, right?
Yes, sir.
Here. I created. Now, what I did, log out and log on to third system or first system, whatever, right? ST@123. See here, Usman 1, Usman 2. Because this license is expired in the server, so that is the reason he is not saved the desktop. Yes, it's not. Previous. Got a point? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
Usman 1, Usman 2. So I got it, right? So everything I got it, whatever. Right? Now, one more thing I will show you. I will stop the session. Give you only 2 minutes. So, administrator, SST.
Sir, R. Administrator
Yes,
R.
sorry. Client side or log off? Yes. Now, open my computer. See, previous class, remember previous first when I create the roaming profile, roaming folder, I didn't open that folder, right? This folder,
Yes, sir.
right? So now I'm going to open, see here, automatically
Khan V2.
font capital V2. So extension is capital V2 means that is the profile folder. If interview they will ask what is the extension file or folder, capital V2. So means that is the profile folder.
Sir,
Automatically it's created. I am not open, right? I am not
Yes,
created
sir.
this folder.
Yes,
So
sir.
once,
If you open that
yeah,
folder, sir, there will be data of that
yeah,
profile.
see, read.
You don't currently have permission to access this
Yeah,
folder.
because
Click
that
view
is
to
what I said, user personal information, right? So
yes, sir.
administrator need to take the permission. So how to take? Say, click on continue and security tab. Yes, advanced change. So who want to take the authority? Administrator. So assign the administrator username. Okay, and apply. Yes. Okay. Okay. Close. Now I can open here in desktop. Open desktop. All these things folder. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Simple thing. Permission. Sorry. Go to the security. Click on advanced. Change setting and assign the administrator username and check the box. All replace folder permission. That's it. Now
Sir,
I
you
can
said,
be able to access.
sir, you said extension about the folder.
Capital B2.
Oh, yeah,
This.
capital B2.
This.
Okay. Explain once again, sir. Yes.
capital V. This is the profile folder. Extension of the capital V2 is nothing but profile folder.
Okay.
In that R11 folders is there. So if I configure the multiple user, hello everybody listen. So if
Yes,
I
sir.
configure the multiple users, already last time someone is asking, I forget his name. So he's asking multiple user, how can I configure? For example, if I want to configure the multiple user, right click properties and profile. So here when I configure, so multiple users is configured on multiple users. Yes, right click, same method. Here, multiple. So multiple folders is created with the help of capital V. Clear?
Yes,
Clear
sir.
guys? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So because time is much, so 3:20 is there. So I end this class, and tomorrow topic is DHCP, okay, and theory DNS. So first morning, oh sorry, miss come on time. So tomorrow I'm not waiting. So 2:05 I start the class. 2:05 पे I will start, and that is the lab DHCP lab. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
2:05 पे एग्जैक्टली डीएचसीपी का लैब शुरू हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह टुमारो. ओके.
Sir, extension is a profile folder, no, sir?
एक्सटेंशन कैपिटल वी, जिस फोल्डर का डॉट कैपिटल V2 रहेगा, that is the
हाँ.
profile folder.
Okay.
Clear?
It means
Sir,
a roaming folder.
Yes, yes. Roaming profile, roaming folder, roaming profile folder. Okay, guys.
sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, we have time for a couple of minutes.
No, because the second session is start 3:30.
Yeah, before that.
So the link is open going to 5 minutes before 25.
Okay.
And these
No,
people want
I
to
have a-
refresh. Yes, sir, tell me, you can tell me.
I have a doubt for yesterday's class. What you have, what you are going explaining in the lab regarding some deletion folders which are going to be restored and all.
Hmm.
So for that, because due to some audio problem, I'm not able to hear everything clearly. So can you give me some points on that? What is that, and from where we are creating it?
Okay. So no problem. So give me 2 days time. So that lab I will record. I will send. Okay, resend again. That particular. So that time you can able to clear wise everything. Okay, with the slides also. Yeah, sure. Okay, right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Yes, bye. See you inshallah tomorrow.
Allah Hafiz.
Hello.